Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dr. Tabe Binamedel, and I'm your tour guide today. How was your flight? Was everything okay?
Thank you. Your flight was good.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like some help with your luggage?
Yes, please have with me
With my
next time.
suitcase.
Of course. The car is used inside. Let me take you there.
Thank you.
Mortgage is a short distance from where. Is there anything else you need before we head to the lunch for you?
No, we can go straight there.
Alright, we're going to Kalabasa Serigala for lunch. Do you have any preference for music or tour in the car?
No preference as long as it's comfortable and what is Palabasa Serigala.
Kalabasa Serigala is a traditional food in Makassar and is good for us because many visitors come to this place and it is located on North Serigala number 34.
Wow, it looks delicious. I can't wait to try it.
It will take about 35 minutes to get to the restaurant. If you need anything during the drive, please don't hesitate to let me know.
Thank you. Everything is fine.
Okay everyone, we've arrived at the restaurant. I'll get the door for you.
Thank you.
The table is ready and we show you inside. Please take a seat and please wait for the menu we have ordered for you. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to let me know.
Thank you. Everything is